I arrived in UK at Manchester yesterday. In order to be able to board the plane that was coming into the UK, all airports checked to make sure that incoming passengers have booked a COVID test and paid for it. And then that gives you a QR code that is checked at the airport that you're boarding at. You don't have to have a COVID test, you don't have to have proof of vaccination, although in order to order the test, you've got to say that you've been vaccinated, but there's no proof required. And then within the 2 days, today being the second day, one has to do this test. And I'm assuming it's the same as the one I did before, but let's have a look. And then once I get the results of this test, I go to an internet site and post the negative results. 2-day lateral flow test, rapid antigen test. Please follow the instructions carefully in order to complete your mandatory testing requirements. I'm going to read this. So I've read the instructions, which substantially talk about taking a picture of it and uploading it once the test is done. So now let's see what's in the box. We've got that same sort of thing. There's a little hole where it can fit in and not fall over. Similar sort of test tube thingy. The swab. And I better read the kit instructions. So it is virtually identical to the last one. Just got to swab this around. Insert the swab into the tube and whirl for 30 seconds. Rotate the swab 5 times while squeezing the sides of the tube. Remove the swab while squeezing the tube. Attach the dropper tip firmly. Mix thoroughly by swirling or flicking the bottom of the tube. This is the interesting bit, so I'm just going to change what the count is. How many drops? 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Hope it comes back negative, otherwise I'm buggered. Okay, so there's a line near the C which is negative.